How will the universe end? 5 surprising scenarios revealed by scientists. Will the universe ever end? Scientists explain the beginning of the universe with the Big Bang, while also offering various theories about how it will end. The answers to the question of how the universe will end are based on observations of dark energy, matter density, and the laws of physics. Here are the 5 most discussed scenarios in the scientific world. 1. The Big Freeze, the most likely scenario. The universe is currently expanding, and this expansion is accelerating due to dark energy. In billions of years, galaxies will drift completely apart, stars will fade, and new star formation will cease. Even black holes will evaporate and disappear. Eventually, the universe will become very cold and dark. According to scientists, this is the most likely possibility. 2. Big Crunch. If dark energy were to one day lose its effect, the expansion of the universe could stop and reverse. All galaxies, stars, and matter would regroup and collapse at the singularity. This would lead to an end similar to the Big Bang with which the universe began. However, current observations indicate that this scenario is unlikely. 3. Big Rip. If dark energy grows stronger over time, everything in the universe could be torn apart one by one. First, galaxies and stars, then planets and atoms. In the final stage, even subatomic particles would disappear. According to this frightening scenario, the universe could end by completely tearing apart within a few billion years. 4. False vacuum decay. This is a theory based primarily on quantum physics. If the universe is unstable in its current energy state, it could suddenly transition into a lower energy vacuum. This event propagates at the speed of light, and all the laws of physics in the universe change in an instant. The most frightening part is, we wouldn't even have time to notice it. 5. The Big Bounce. According to this theory, the universe will not disappear once, but will experience an endless cycle. After completing its expansion, the universe will collapse, then be reborn with a new Big Bang. There are no observations yet that prove this scenario, but the idea of a cyclical universe excites scientists. Conclusion. Is the end of the universe certain? Current data suggests the Big Freeze is the most likely scenario. However, there are still many unknowns about dark energy and the future of the universe. Science continues its research to find the answer to this question.